Welcome to IEC Metallurgical Machinery, Manufacturers Private Limited, manufacturers of concrete batching plants and bulk material handling equipments. About IEC Metallurgical Machinery Manufacturing Private Limited. IEC has been pioneering machinery supply and maintenance of various infrastructure projects, steel, cement and power plants across Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh since 2010. The company enjoys high respect from its customers as they are known for its dependability to deliver its commitment. The brand IEC MMMPL has earned recognition for its quality, depth and width of innovative designs and providing customers with value for nearly a decade. IEC specializes in the design, manufacture and marketing of a wide range of construction equipment, bulk material handling equipment from its manufacturing facility in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh near Ballari, Karnataka, India. Its current product portfolio includes concrete batching plants, conveyors of various capacities, size reduction machinery such ball mills, hammer mills, crushers and screens, etc. A complete range of machinery to manufacture parts and required to maintain any process equipment. A range of concrete batching plants, wet mix plants and asphalt mixing plants. The IEC offering meet customer needs around the following key areas. Product technology. The IEC products integrate the best-in-class technology to deliver high-performance plants and equipment. Technology developed by specialists which has evolved over the last few decades to a very high level of reliability, flexibility and versatility. We understand that our machines will need to cater to unique demands of our customers at the various work sites. Keeping this in mind, we have built in a huge flexibility in the way our organization and the associated business ecosystem is structured so that customization of technology for specific equipment can be done swiftly. Infrastructure. We have created our manufacturing facility on an 11-acre plot. There are 3 bays with concrete flooring and all are covered. Each bay is 20 meters wide and 80 meters long and bays are equipped with overhead cranes capable of lifting weights from 10 to 50 tons. We also have a host of metalworking machines such as lathes, bending or shearing machines, hydraulic presses, number of welding machines of various types such as carbon dioxide or arc, gear machining, slotting machine and many others. A team of trained and certified workmen operate them and manufacture various types of jobs. At this facility, we are able to convert between 200 tons of steel to finished products currently. Vision. Our vision is to manufacture machines which offer latest technology at affordable price to our customers. And when they use it, they experience all the benefits it offers. We want to be a reliable source of equipment for our buyers and who wish to come back to us for their next requirement. Product. We use the best of materials while building our plants. This ensures the customer is benefited in terms of long service life and easy replacement in case of repairs. We have adopted to the best mixing technology offered by BHS, Sycoma, which we offer. Gearboxes from IC Bauer, Bonfiliole, etc. Valves and actuators of VAM make. Control hardware from Omron, Snyder, B&R and host of other known makes. Business profile. IEC MMMPL is set up. The installed capacity of the unit is 2,400 tons steel per annum for manufacture of industrial equipment and spares and 5,000 tons of heavy structural fabrications and structural fabrications which are required for the infrastructure projects, major steel plants, power plants, cement plants and food industry. Technological consideration. For making the industrial equipments after long discussion with consultants, the management procured special purpose machinery, semi-automized machines in view of decrease the manpower as well as to increase the productivity on these particular machines. For continuous and good quality welding, the company is proposed to go for MIG welding and submerged arc welding machines and rectifiers instead of using transformers. The following plant description enables produce fresh compacted concrete continuously based on recipe desired. A. Aggregate feed hopper. The aggregate hopper is designed to be an inline feed type and is constructed out of high-quality steel, shaped and welded with the best materials. The support structure is adequately designed to support the loads which the hopper will be subjected to. During its course of operation, the hoppers are shaped such that smooth material flow is achieved and bridging is avoided, which results in steady output. The discharge gates are actuated through pneumatic cylinders. These gates can be operated for coarse and fine settings as instructed from the central command station. The geared motor is generously selected keeping in mind their duty requirements. The electric motors used are squirrel cage type induction motors. The geared motor's output shaft is hollow to which the head pulley shaft is directly engaged. A discharge chute is provided at the end of the weigh conveyor. One hopper for sand is fitted with electric vibrator to facilitate easy flow. B. Inclined conveyor. The inclined conveyor is placed in a way such that it receives weighed aggregate from the weigh conveyor. The weighed aggregate drops to the conveyor and rapidly moves the aggregate to the mixing station. The geared motor is generously selected keeping in mind their duty requirements. The electric motors used is squirrel cage type induction motor. The conveying belt is endless, is ridged, and this provides maximum operational angle of repose to the conveyor. The conveyor frame is constructed to provide maximum rigidity and durability in the event of it being dismantled often. The conveyor would typically consist of drive and driven rollers, support idlers, tensioning device, emergency stop buttons, etc. C. Tower. The tower houses the mixer, cement, water, and admix weigh hoppers. Hence, the tower is designed and fabricated to hold the components rigidly and provide safety to operating personnel, with sufficient space to reach all points from maintenance point of view. It evenly distributes the load and vibration upon it and transmits it to the ground. D. Mixer. The mixer is a twin-shaft mixer. The shafts are placed parallel to each other horizontally. The shafts are fit with arms and to its end are fixed mixing tips. The arms and tips are made from wear-resistant materials for long life. The shafts rotate in a counter-rotating direction, which gives the mix a kneading effect. Hence, efficiency of mixing improves. The mixer shafts are balanced such that it does not create stress on the drive and the drive load remains as uniform as possible. The mixer discharge door is operated by pneumatic cylinder with electrical interface to ensure full open and full close positions. The mixer is suitably covered such that cement and dust does not escape and pollute the surrounding areas. The covers are attached to a vent filter which holds back dust and allow air to pass through. Cutouts are also provided for entry of aggregate, cement, water and admix on the cover. A hatch is available for visual inspection into the mixer. At the time of shutdown, it is possible to open the covers such that the interiors can be accessed for manual pressure water cleaning. E. Cement weighing. The hopper is fabricated from sheet steel and our welded areas are checked for zero leak. The inner surface is of smooth finish to ensure smooth flow of cement. The hopper is slung on a frame which is suspended from load cells. which are in turn attached to a rigid membrane of the tower frame. The cement hopper is located directly above the mixer to assist flow of cement by gravity into the mixer. The top of the cement hopper is connected to a vent filter, which blocks cement from escaping into the surrounding area, while allowing the air to go through. Provision is made on the cement weigh hopper to enable connect screw conveyors from storage silos through a flexible connection ensuring least interference with the weighing process. At the discharge end of the weigh hopper is fixed a pneumatically operated valve, which is further connected to the mixer via a flexible duct. The valve is operated from the controls when weighed cement is desired to be introduced in the mixer. F. Measurement of water and dispensing. A water weigh hopper made from stainless steel will be provided. The container is placed on load cells. A discharge valve will be provided at the bottom, which is operated by a pneumatic actuator. The discharge end of the valve is connected to the water discharge line via a flexible connection. A set of pipe lines will be provided for fresh water up to base of the plant. G. Admix dosing and weighing system. One jar will be provided. The container is suspended on independent load cell. A pump will pump the admix to the jar, and flow is cut off by the PLC on desired weight being achieved. The flow can be physically set to give the most accurate result. H. Control systems. All power distribution hardware are housed in special cabinets, which include relays, contactors, fuses, switches, etc. A separate cabinet houses all the control circuit hardware and the control console with video display unit. A mimic display on the VDU indicates the entire process and real-time display of the valves. Recipes can be stored in the system and can be recalled for reuse in the future. The controls also assist in diagnosis in case of any breakdown. The control desk will have all the controls and displays located on it, without having to reach out to other areas to operate and make observations. IEC, quality assured. Thank you.